students of class 9. I am Adi sir. Today I am going to discuss the physics portion. The name of the chapter is motion. What is motion? Dear students, motion means the object changes position with respect to surrounding and with time. That is called motion. For example, the hands of clock, the earth will rotate around the sun, etc. Again, to clarify the motion, we should know what is rest. Rest means the object doesn't change its position with surrounding with respect to time. That is rest position. Like a tree, not move one place to another. This is rest position. So this is clarify about the motion and as well as the rest. The next part of this chapter, the types or kind of motion. Students, there are two types of motion in this chapter. This first one is uniform motion, second one non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion? Uniform motion means the object travel the distance, equal distance and equal interval of time. That is uniform motion. And in non-uniform motion, when an object covered or travel the unequal distance in equal interval of time, that is non-uniform motion. The example of uniform motion, also again the earth rotated around the sun, the fixed time, fixed period. Non-uniform motion, the running car, wherever the car is run on the road, some are speed, some are slow, कभी तेज होते हैं, कभी स्लो करना पड़ता है. तो ये जो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन पे आ गए. मोशन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन जो है वो एक ही हिसाब से सही दिशा कर चलेंगे, सही टाइम पे ही चलेंगे. यह गया यूनिफॉर्म और नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन के बीच का अंतर, डिफरेंस. नेक्स्ट वन, द स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी. व्हाट इज स्पीड? Speed means when an object move in a respect to time, that is speed. Speed means distance upon time. Distance दूरी तय करने का जो होती है समय के साथ, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग स्पीड. In case of distance, as case of velocity, there is a certain direction is used here. किसी दूरी को तय करने के लिए किस दिशा पे जा रहे हैं ऑब्जेक्ट, उसे तय करने के लिए हम लोग वेलोसिटी का यूज करते हैं. तो वेलोसिटी मीन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम. तो स्पीड और वेलोसिटी में अंतर क्या रहा? व्हाट इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी? स्पीड हैज अ certain time, cover the certain distance but no direction. In case of velocity, the object travel a certain distance in certain time with direction. Another point is average speed. What is average speed? Simply the total distance covered by an object by or upon total time. कितना दूरी तय किया, पूरा दूरी तय कितने टाइम पे तय किया, उसे अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें एवरेज स्पीड का अंदाजा लग सकता है. टुडे लास्ट टॉपिक है, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ओडोमीटर और स्पीडोमीटर. ओडोमीटर मीन्स टू मेजरिंग द डिस्टेंस, मीन्स हाउ मच डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्स बाय द कार और व्हीकल्स. That is measured by an odometer. A speedometer, how much speed right now the car or vehicles, it is measured by the speedometer. Thank you for that.